Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to set the equalizer on the JBL Pulse 5 speaker for the sound to be exactly you like. But first, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see more useful content. So first of all, your speaker must be on and connected to your phone with the help of Bluetooth. Then you need to go to the app JBL Portable and open the equalizer mode. Here, as you can see, we have bass, mid and treble frequencies. So if you, for example, want to hear more of a heavy bass, more of a powerful sounds, you need to swipe up this slider like that. Or if you want to hear more like of vocals or instruments, you need to swipe up these mid frequencies. Or if you want to hear more of sonorous sounds like cymbals, you need to swipe up this parameter as well. So that's all about the equalizer. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.